Well, after a long slumber finishing up the E30, the TR6 is back in center position in the shop and getting ready to be put back in the queue to get it sorted next. So you've had a few people ask, so kind of where it sits now. The body is just sitting on the frame where it was parked for the last number of months while I finished the E30 and work got in the way of playtime, shop time, but here it is, kind of as it was before. Everything is, all the metal work is done. It's time to do body work and just basically getting it all cleaned up and ready to paint. But again, I'm going to take it back off the frame, just sitting. It's not bolted down, it's just resting on the frame. So I've got essentially the rotisserie. I'm going to put back the center pieces to get everything, make sure they're straight, because I suspect by putting it where it is, it's not straight again. So need to get the doors and fenders, basically everything has to be lined up again. I'll prime it, block it, try to make sure everything's straight. But like I say, all the sheet metal is done. The rockers, the floor pans, I've made all the repairs. Everything is essentially, all the metal work's done. So down to starting to make it look pretty and put it back together again. But here's where we are. So point of reference for me to kind of remind myself what it is, because it's been every bit of 6 months since the last time I worked on it. Got excited to have it back in play. So here's the update, and hopefully over the next few weeks start to see some real progress again. Thanks for paying attention.